wisteria. And here's where it's planted. So, the pergola. They said to prune it in June and in February. I'm sorry, July. I just pruned it early this month, and this is what happened. It bloomed again. Its first bloom is in early spring.